ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 71. కేశివధ వర్ణనం, వ్యోమాసుర వధ వర్ణనం చ. ద స్లేయింగ్ ఆఫ్ కేశి అండ్ వ్యోమాసుర. Bhagavata Skanda 10 chapter 37 is the basis of this dashaka. Shloka 1. यत्नेषु सर्वेष्वपि नावकेशी केशी स भोजेषितुरिष्टबन्धुः त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा सम्प्राप्तवान् सिन्धुजवाजिरूपः. Word by word meaning. Sarveshu api yatneshu, in all undertakings. Na avakeshi, who was never unsuccessful. Bhojeshituhu, of the king of Bhoja, Kamsa. Ishtabandhuhu, a close friend. Saha keshi, that keshi. Sindhu javapyaha, easily accessible to those born from the ocean like Lakshmi Devi. Iti matva iva, as if thinking. Sindhujavaji roopaha, in the form of a horse born in the land of Sindhu. Tvam, sampraptavan, approached thee. Full meaning. Keshi, who was a close friend of Kamsa and was never unsuccessful in any undertaking, approached thee in the form of a horse from the land of the Sindhu, as if thinking that thou wert easily accessible to all those born from Sindhu, like Lakshmi Devi. Note, there is a pun on the word Sindhu, which means the ocean and the land of the Sindhu river. Lakshmi was born from the ocean. The horse comes from the land of Sindhu. Om Tat Sat.